Ever wondered how to say act in Japanese? Or perhaps you've been curious about how to express believe or choose? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to dive into an extensive list of common English verbs and their Japanese translations. Starting off, to act in Japanese is kodo suru. When you want to say achieve, it's tasho suru. If you're looking to adapt, you'd say tekio suru. Need to address a situation? That's taisho suru. And if you're feeling admiration, you can shosan suru. Moving along, doi suru means agree. To aim is mezazu. You'd kyoka suru to allow. Bunseki suru is how you'd analyze. And if you want to answer, you'd koteru. The list goes on with shazai suru for apologize, oyo suru for apply, jiran suru for argue, seri suru for arrange, and tazuneru for ask. And there's more, from shuseki suru for attend, sakeru for avoid, mio samasu for awake, yaku for bake, to baransu otoru for balance. We've covered a lot of ground here, from act to balance. But remember, learning a new language is all about practice, so why not give these words a try in your daily conversations? You might just surprise yourself at how quickly you can pick up the nuances of Japanese vocabulary. In summary, we've explored a variety of common English verbs and their Japanese counterparts, including kodo suru for act, tasho suru for achieve, tekio suru for adapt, taisho suru for address, and shosan suru for admire, among many others. Remember, language learning is a journey. Every new word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until next time, happy learning.